do I say? What do I say? So gorgeous. So I'm here today on the shores of Lake Clear. Come with me on this adventure. This is one of my favorite spots in, oh, I'd say pretty much all of Ontario here. So come with me on the adventure. We'll fly the drone around. Just so happen to be shooting a listing that's coming up very shortly here on Lake Clear, and it's just a gorgeous, gorgeous spot. I'm just looking at the islands here. Check out how clear that water is. Let's go a little deeper. Yep, still can see the bottom. That's probably about 7-8 feet. And look at that, still seeing rocks there. Look at where I am. Pretty. Lake Clear, here we go! Woo-hoo! There's trout in here, there's walleye in here, northern pike, bass, smallmouth, largemouth, you name it. It's got it all. And the mountains that surround it, there's a mountain right there, makes it a little valley here. In the winter, amazing ice fishing. And it's almost tropical. There's the one island. And turn around, there's the twins, I believe. Let's turn around here. There's the other islands. Look at that. Oh yeah. So like you could spend days exploring this lake. And with pristine, clear water like the way this is, just spectacular. Look at that. Wow. Beautiful, beautiful. Where are we here? Yeah, I'm right there somewhere. We can still fly back. Yep. Let's see the shorelines. Oh hey, here's the spot. And you could have this view. Look at that island there.